Right here we have an 8-spindle machine, and if you look at it when it's stopped, you can actually see what each spindle does to the part as it progresses through, right? So it all starts out at station 1 by pulling the material out and centering it. After that, it goes to station 2 where it rough and finish turns. Station 3 is going to drill and tap the part. Station 4 is going to put a spline on it with this broach right here. Station 5 is going to groove out behind the part. Station 6 is going to come in with our custom end mill that's going to chamfer the front and back of the hex as it mills the hex. Station 7, it's going to thread the part. After that, it's the last spindle where it feeds the part out, grabs the part, cuts the part off, goes back home, faces the part off, puts a face groove in it, drills, chamfers, and ejects, and it does all of this in 10 seconds. So that whole part, 10 seconds. Magic, baby.